Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to join IC Markets affiliate program in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first is you'll see the dashboard on IC Markets Global, and in the left side go to the partners. Okay, there you go. So just have to wait. So as you can see here, there's a start application button here, so you just have to click that one. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is you have to fill everything right here. Okay, so the required, okay, everything that is required, guys. So you have to um increase sales website, okay, on social media, Facebook, employees. So everything, guys, that so everything in here is declares or needs to be filled up. So once you're done filling up all this form, just save and continue. And this is, guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Market Global website. Thank you.